Alright everybody, we got a beautiful 80+ degree day here in Pennsylvania. So awesome, finally great weather to me. So a task I've been thinking about doing for a little while, pulling these off, because I'm really not into them. I don't care for camo, and they don't exactly fit like a glove, and they just feel awkward. Like, look how wrinkly that damn driver's seat is. So let's do the unthinkable and tear them off and find out what we have underneath. All I did was look at the driver's seat when I bought the truck, so I don't know what is underneath, what kind of damage has been caused. But we all know seats with age wrinkle, especially with 180,000 plus miles on the truck. So all I've seen so far was this, because that's the worst part about it. And, you know, boo-hoo, I'm not overly worried about it. They actually make really good replacement covers for this, so I may even go that route. So we're gonna say goodbye to the camo, and we're gonna get to the regular LT trim, nice tan leather. Wow, that headrest is a son of a gun to try to even get off. There's no tab or anything, so Google. So via YouTube/Google, it's a push pin, so gotta pick. Let's try it now. Haha! Success! Well, happy to see the results are not too horrifying. They're just a bit dirty, quite dirty actually, and a little bit worn, which was expected. I don't know if they're all shaped with an angle here, but this one is definitely morphed out into a different shape, but not bad. Probably gotta clean it really good before I sit in it. That totally came out without stopping. Well, this seat's really not in bad shape at all either. Looks nice. This is kind of curved like that one is, but still, it could have been deformed a little bit. But very nice. Actually, the padding really seems good in it. It doesn't seem like it's all worn out and de-bolstered. Actually, it has good bolster here too. I'm very shocked. So, much better looking to me. Even if it is tan. So, we're gonna clean these seats up, but first, they have pockets in the back, and there's lots of papers in them, so that's kind of a cool thing from the previous owner, so we're gonna check out and see what all that is. Huh.
I'm messing this.
Okay, let's take a look at what we got inside the back seat of the passenger seat. So I got a Pioneer owner's manual. So that means at one point it probably had a head unit. Not necessarily, but still, yeah. I was gonna look and see if there was like a note or something, but no, there does not appear to be any. Risk of a vaccine reaction. Oh, this doesn't look good. This looks like a obituary. Yeah, this probably had the this probably definitely had a radio in it. This is a GM head unit kit. Face plate and all. Damn, I wish I still had it. Nifty. This looks like a receipt to a spring and throttle retention setup. GM parts at least. Now the guy I bought the truck from, much younger than me, I wanted to say kid, but you know. But anyway, he said he never took the seat covers off. So the whole time, the whole 2 years he had the truck, he never even had them out. So shoot, he probably never even knew they were in there. Let's go take a look at the driver's side. See, possibly for a money order for 23 bucks sometime in 2012 for Trenton, New Jersey. Here's a receipt for a voltage regulator. Huh. These guys must have been definite farmers because I'm getting a lot of equipment receipts. Very many receipts for pretty much equipment. So, that's done. I'm gonna clean these because they're nasty. What I have for the leather conditioning is some Pinnacle Natural Brilliance. I've had this stuff for quite a few years now, and the reason I don't have the atoms is because I still have up to this much of it. Trying to burn it off. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. Now it's clean, treated, ready to go. Looking better than camo. Very nice. Yes. I figured I'd do another video of the lighting at night on the truck. So the tail lamps have LEDs in them. And the Sylvania Zevo 194 plate light bulbs. Very nice bright bulb. Totally worth it, even though they're 10 bucks a piece. And the aux beam, low beams, and fog lamps. I think the low beam's 9006 and the fog lamp was H10. These end page 3157s are a decent bulb so far, and I got the Sylvania regular 194 amber LED right there. So the color output, pretty nice. It's like a bright snow white. It's not really blue, but it does have a touch of blue, like the LED crisp, but it's not 6K by any means. And the puppy's waiting for me. So now with the 6 high mod, we'll flick them on. Oh yeah, I'll be right back. So now the high beams, oh my god, it's so bright. High beams and low beams. So that's really cool. God, it's bright. I mean, look at it projecting right on in there. It's like, you can see me perfectly, I bet. So flippin' bright, man. Alright. Since we got traffic down that way, I'm gonna quit being douche. And that's it. The puppy's ready to go home, so I'm all done with that. Okay, we'll get a light video from the interior of the truck. This is the low beam and fog lamp. Hopefully it shows up pretty decent. And now with the new 6 high mod, flip the highs on, and oh yes. The high beams were great before, but I mean low beams on, you just see the foreground that much more. It's like just so much more lit up looking to the bare eye. It's awesome. That is awesome. I can't imagine that with a light bar just projecting it way out even farther, you know? So off. No fog lamps. And high beam and fog, since it forces the fog to stay on. Now hopefully the video will show a good difference of that, because it's really hard to pick things up on camera at times, even with a GoPro, I imagine. So that's that.